Hydroflex water storage tanks are fully manufactured, completely insulated, and only require a simple setup. Their design and crating allow them to fit through a standard doorway. Remove the bottom disc and set it into place where the tank is to be installed. Fit the sides of the tank over the bottom all the way around until all the sides are touching the floor. Position the coil where it is to be piped. Pipe passages above the waterline and connections below the waterline can be installed at the factory or on location. Install the lid system. The tank is now ready to be filled and placed into service.